Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Badina Huda and today I will present about how Touch 'n Go uses RFID and market intelligence to improve toll system and customer experience. For the first point, which is faster and easier toll payments, Touch 'n Go uses RFID, which is a small sticker on the car. When the car passes through the toll, it will scan the sticker and the payment is made automatically. This helps drivers save time because they don't need to put at the toll. They don't need to stop at the toll, and it is faster and more convenient. Second point, study traffic and improve the system. With market intelligence, Touch 'n Go can collect data and study traffic behavior. They can see which tolls are always busy, what time traffic is heavy, and which roads people use the most. With this information, they can make better planning, open more lanes, or upgrade the system to reduce traffic jams. Third point, which is the last point, better customer experience. Touch 'n Go also uses the data to fix problems faster, like system errors or long waiting times. They also use the data to give better service, like sending reminders if your balance is low. This helps makes the service smarter and more helpful for users. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Wajing Yu. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits and opportunity parts with combining RFID technology with MI, which call machine intelligence. This is particularly in the context of toll system like what we see in Malaysia and Touch 'n Go. So let's start with the most obvious benefit is enhanced customer experience. Traditional tolls both often requires vehicle to stop or slow down, which causes traffic congestion and long wait times. With RFID, vehicle can pass through the tolls without stopping, making the travel faster, easier, and contactless. This is especially useful in the high traffic urban areas. From a business perspective, RFID pairs with the data analysis opens up exciting opportunities. Company like Touch 'n Go gathers insight on travel behavior such as peak travel time and preferred routes. This data allows them to offer personalized promotion like toll discounts and balance reminders sent directly to the user through the apps or emails. This is not only increases the convenience but also helps to customer loyalty. So now let's talk with the sustainability. Since the car do not have to in long queues, fuel consumption can drop and also do the carbon emissions. This support both nations and global efforts to create a greener transport system. Last, we go through into the RFID and MI enables to the smarter transport management. By analysis real-time traffic data, officially can predict congestion, adjust toll price, and also plans maintenance more effectively. This can help to reduce the route disruption and also improve the overall efficiency of the highway system. In short, integration of RFID and MI doesn't just benefit the drivers, it supports also to innovation, sustainability, and smarter the governance in transportation. This all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Shafika binti Azaidi. Today, I will present about the challenges in RFID. So first, privacy and security. Privacy and security are the biggest concerns. RFID tags are easily targeted by hackers through methods like eavesdropping and traffic analysis. Most of the time, these tags don't have proper protection and can be read without any control. And the second is the cost. The cost is high. Compared to barcodes with which cost around 4 cents, RFID tags can cost 30 to 40 cents each unless bought in millions. Apart from that, we also need to invest in infrastructure and system maintenance, which adds to the total cost. And last but not least, RFID can be unreliable in retail environments. It's hard to read text near the human body or on liquid and metal items. Text also need to be in the right position to be read properly, and sometimes readers interfere with each other if used too close. Thank you from me.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Kozairi and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Asnawi. I will present about barriers of RFID. There are three barriers. Firstly, integration with existing system. Integrating RFID technology into ERP and WMS system requires a significant investment in time and resources due to data synchronization, software compatibility, and infrastructure setup challenges. ERP system manage business functions such as procurement and finance, while WMS focus on warehouse operation. This integrated RFID increase automation but demand seamless connectivity between real-time tracking data and existing workflow. Secondly, the barriers of RFID is lack of standardization, which is absence of a unified national standard that govern its deployment across various industries. This lack of standardization result in compatibility and interoperability issue. Different service provider and manufacturer may utilize diverse RFID frequencies, protocols, or hardware specification, which can create challenge when attempting to integrate systems across different sectors or supply chain. Last but not least, the barrier of RFID is limited awareness and technical expertise. Many companies, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, are unfamiliar with the capability, benefit, and practical application of RFID technology. As a result, they may perceive RFID as complex, costly, or unnecessary. Additionally, there is a shortage of qualified personnel with the technical know-how to design, install, configure, and maintain RFID system. This skill gap affect both the implementation and the long-term sustainability of RFID solution.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Zakaria and today I would like to present about my part, which is the strategies for adoption of RFID and market intelligence technology in Malaysia. There are 2 points, which is 4.1 is government support and 4.2 is training and education. Okay, 4.1 government support. First point is government support can help reduce high cost of RFID. This is because RFID systems are so expensive and many small businesses can afford them. To help the industry, for WRD fund gives 70% financial support that up to RM500,000 ringgit. Second point is government support makes easier for SMEs, small businesses, to start using new technology. Many SMEs are afraid to invest in digital tools like RFID because they're worried about the cost. So with grants and funding, they feel more confident to try, and this will support and encourage among small companies to start their digital journey without needing to spend a lot of money upfront. And third point is Smart Automation Grant SAG can support business automation. Okay, this is because the Smart Automation Grant SAG from MDEC can help SMEs, small businesses who wants to automate. It can cover 15% cost up to RM200,000 ringgit. Okay, this is useful for logistic companies and factories who want to improve with RFID. So it helps them to save time, reduce errors, and become more efficient. Okay, next I would like to explain about 4.2 is training and education. Okay, first point is training programs can help build skilled workers for RFID. This is because governments can cooperate with universities and training centers to teach both student and career workers how to play and manage RFID system. This ensures that we have skilled talent ready to support businesses using RFID in industries like logistics, retail, and manufacturing. Second point is education encourage responsible and smart usage of RFID. When people understand how RFID works, they can use it more responsibly and effectively. This applies to both businesses and consumers. For example, a retail worker trained in RFID can manage stock better, while a customer can understand how RFID helps with product safety and tracking. And lastly is international programs can help to upgrade local skills. Programs like RFID training provide international vendor neutral certification. This can help Malaysians learn global best practices for RFID technology, especially in sectors like healthcare, logistics, and retail. This will make local workers more competitive and ready to work in modern tech-driven businesses. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuzulaika binti Zulkifli. Today I will be presenting my part, which is part 3 and part 4 of our assignment case study, which focuses on practical strategies to support the adoption of RFID and market intelligence technologies in Malaysia. So for part 3, technology and industry partnerships. One of the key strategies is to build strong partnerships between local businesses, technology providers and government agencies. Companies like Favoria, Asian RFID, Positech and Fujitsu Malaysia already provide customer RFID systems, hands-on training and technical support. These partnerships are especially helpful for SMEs that may not have the expertise or resources to implement RFID on their own. On the government side, agencies like MDEC and MIC are playing a major role through programs like Industry for WRD and the Business Digitalization Initiative or BDI. The government has allocated 145 billion ringgit to support SMEs with digital tools like RFID. This funding helps reduce the cost of adoption through co-funded pilot projects. MDEC is also collaborating with digital banks and peer-to-peer lenders to provide businesses with freemium digital tools and mentorship, especially in areas like e-invoicing and automation. Additionally, events like the Malaysia Digital Tax Adoption Summit help match businesses with the right vendors. This platform encourages collaboration and create a strong ecosystem to support long-term RFID integration. Next, for part 4, affordable tools and analytics. Besides partnership, we also recommend promoting the use of affordable analytic tools as a starting point. Tools like Google Trends, Meta Business Suite, Power BI, W Public and even built-in dashboard from Shopee or TikTok Shop allow businesses to track trends, monitor sales and understand consumer behavior, all with little to no cost. These tools help build data literacy, which is important before implementing RFID. When businesses are comfortable analyzing basic data, they will find it easier to use RFID to collect and act on real-time information. For example, spike in Google Trends for eco-friendly products can alert retailers to restock these items. Then, with RFID, they can track that stock more efficiently and reduce the risk of stock outs. This phased approach, starting with low-cost tools and gradually moving to RFID, minimizes risk and ensures businesses are ready for more advanced technologies. In conclusion, combining strategic partnership with accessible data tools creates a clear and inclusive path for Malaysian businesses to adopt RFID and market intelligence technologies. This not only boosts efficiency, but also support long-term digital growth across industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Farid and I will talk about conclusion. For the first point is market intelligence drive innovation and sustainability. Let's begin by looking at the broad order role of market intelligence or MI. Market intelligence is essential for driving both innovation and sustainability. It equips companies with valuable insight into market trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies. With this knowledge, organizations can make smarter, data-driven decisions that not only boost business performance, but also promote long-term environmental responsibility. Secondly, RFID is a strong example of market intelligence in action. A great example of market intelligence being put into action is RFID technology. RFID enables real-time tracking of product and asset, support accurate inventory management, and significantly reduce waste. This direct application of market intelligence demonstrates how data and technology can work together to streamline operation and improve sustainability across industry. Third point is market intelligence support eco-friendly decision through RFID. When used alongside RFID, market intelligence become a powerful driver of eco-friendly decision. By analyzing operational data, company can identify inefficiencies such as overproduction and excess inventory and take action to minimize their environmental impact. This not only reduce emissions and resource use but also create more efficient and cost-effective supply chain. Next is success come from combining data, tech and feedback. The key to success is not just technology or data alone, it's the combination of market intelligence, technology and customer feedback. Market intelligence provide the data, RFID deliver the tech, and customer input ensure the solution remain relevant and user-focused. When all three elements are integrated, businesses can develop smart, adaptive systems that meet real-world needs. The last point is build a future-ready, sustainable business strategy. Ultimately, the synergy between market intelligence and RFID helps companies build future-ready, sustainable business strategy. This approach allows organizations to adapt quickly to market changes, meet modern customer demands, and achieve environmental goals all while maintaining operational efficiency and innovation.